Hello guys, in this video we will see how to prove one more identity of trigonometry, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So from this itself you would have probably guessed that this is a Pythagorean identity. So what do I mean by Pythagorean identity? I mean that this identity will be in the form of a square plus b square is equal to c square. So how can we relate this to our identity? Well, it's very simple. So we can take 1 as a and tan theta as b and secant theta as c. Okay, so now what was our identity? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So now 1 can be written as 1 square, 1 cube, anything. So your value will be 1 only. So let's replace 1 with a square. As our value for a is 1 is a, so we can replace 1 with a square, plus we took tan theta as b, so tan square theta will be b square is equal to, we took secant theta as c, so secant square theta will be c square. So that's why this identity is called a Pythagorean identity. It is mainly based on the Pythagoras theorem, which is a square plus b square is equal to c square. But how do we prove this as a base of trigonometry? That's what we'll see in this video. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, so now proving means we need to make LHS is equal to RHS. So our RHS is secant square theta. So we need to bring somehow secant square theta in the left hand side also. That's why both of them are equal. So 1 plus tan square theta is our left hand side, which is equal to secant square theta, which is our right hand side. Okay, so you know that tan square theta is equal to sin square theta upon cos square theta. Why did I say this? Because from my previous videos you know that tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So what we need to do is square tan. So what do we get? Tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. That's what I have written here. Okay, so now we know that tan square theta is equal to sin square theta by cos square theta. So now let's replace sin square theta by cos square theta in place of this tan square theta. So what do we get? 1 plus sin square theta by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, so now still our equation is not complete. We still need to get a secant square theta on the left hand side. Okay, now we cannot directly bring cos square theta to the right hand side because we still have 1 on the left hand side. So let's take the common denominator for both. So to take the LCM, the best way is to multiply both the denominators. So what do we get? We get the common denominator as cos square theta, because cos square theta into 1 gives cos square theta. Okay, so now if we multiply the denominator with cos square theta, we need to multiply the numerator also with cos square theta. So cos square theta into 1 again is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, still our equation is not complete. So let's write this in a fresh page. So we get cos square theta plus sin square theta upon cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. Okay, so now from my previous videos you know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's what I proved you in my previous videos. Okay, so now sin square theta plus cos square theta and cos square theta plus sin square theta both are same because addition is commutative. So we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So now let's replace this cos square theta plus sin square theta with 1. So what do we get? 1 by, as our denominator was cos square theta, let's write it. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. And from my previous videos, you would also know that 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. And if we square here, we also need to square here. So 1 by cos square theta is equal to secant square theta. So now let's replace this 1 by cos square theta with secant square theta. So thus we get secant square theta is equal to secant square theta. So thus we proved this identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So no matter what changes you do in the left hand side or the right hand side, you just need to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. That's what is proving, nothing else. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.